Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the console and your character. Load Flashpoint, pick the character with lightning throw, and verify you have at least 50% mana or charge. Once done, equip any damage-boosting artifact to increase impact. Make sure you position yourself 3-6 meters from the target with a clear line of sight. This maximizes projectile tracking. Start the ability cast immediately and watch the charge meter. Timing the release matters because it affects bolt speed and spread, so don't wait too long. Now you focus on execution. Hold the cast button to build charge and watch the HUD indicator fill. While charging, aim slightly ahead of moving targets because the bolt has travel time. This compensates for target velocity and increases hit probability. If the console supports aim assist or slow motion, use it to refine lead. When the meter reaches full, release to fire the bolt for maximum damage. Short taps produce weaker throws, so commit to a full charge when you need knockout impact. To finish the action sequence, follow up successful hits with combo abilities or a quick melee to capitalize on stagger. This increases DPS and secures kills. Once fired, manage cooldowns and retreat to cover while your resources recharge so you aren't vulnerable during downtime. If the lightning throw misfires or feels weak, check for input lag, wrong key bindings, or insufficient mana thresholds. Recalibrate controller dead zones and verify artifact effects. If problems persist, restart the console session and retest in a low-risk area.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.